I just took her name and made that bitch a LLC. Stuff a couple stacks up in there, bitch, get on your feet. You make twice as much if you switch it up just to see.
Hey you guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be creating a unit, and I got this hair from AliExpress from a company called HC Hair. I did a review on them. I actually list a link somewhere up here so you could catch it if you like. And I made this beautiful unit out of this water wave hair, and I just want to share with you guys how I did it. I'm doing this video in 2 parts, and the first part is going to be me applying that frontal, laying down that frontal, showing y'all how to put that frontal down and everything. And then I'm doing a little trick at the end of that to show you how. I'll explain all in the video. And then the second part is going to be us finishing up the unit, of course. You get all the tips and tricks all in the video. If you like, don't forget to drop a like, hit subscribe, and let's get into the video. So we're going to start off with our dome cap, and you can get it from any beauty supply store for just $2.99. We got T-pins, I got a curved needle, and some thread. You can use nylon thread if you want. So we're starting with our frontal. We're going to apply that right on the edge of our cap, and I'm going to pin down the front. And the reason why I'm pinning down the front is because the front is really not needed. I just needed this to sit, you know, so it could behave. And I'm gonna pin down the back of the frontal. I'm gonna take my T-pins and just stick it in there. So I'm gonna make sure that it's all flat and symmetrical, and that's why I stick down the middle first, and then I get to the sides, and I make sure it's slicked down really well, nice and flat, and I just pin it down. So I'm just gonna do the other side. And I'm just putting some pins in between so it doesn't move on me. And that's how it should look. So as you can see in the front, you should be able to put your hand in your frontal, the front area of your frontal, just like that. So I'm just gonna take the hair out of the way, and I'm gonna start stitching. So I can't really explain how I stitch. I don't really know what this method is called. I just know I stick the needle in, I wrap the string around it twice, and then I pull, and I make sure it's nice and tight. I hold my finger down on the string to the mannequin, and I just pull really tight. This is my stitching, and it's nice and flat. And I'm just going to continue going. And you want to make sure that your stitching is close together when you are stitching down your frontal, because you just don't want it to be bulky. You don't want to have holes. So when I get to the side where the elastic is, as you can see, I'm putting the needle into the cap, the material of the cap. I'm not putting it in the elastic. And you don't want to put it in the elastic because it's just going to mess up the elastic band. It's just going to change the shape of the cap. It's going to make the cap too tight, and it's just not going to fit you. So I'm just going to cut the string. I'm going to tie it really tight, 2 knots. And then I go to the other side. So I start from the middle, and I go down the other side because I want to make sure that it's nice and flat, nice and aligned, and everything. So that's how I make sure that I get it to be nice and flat and even on both sides. So like I did on the other side, I'm not sewing into the elastic band, I'm sewing into the cap. So I'm taking my time, and I'm just going to double knot that. And now we're going to get to the back. So I'm going to show you a trick on how to be able to put your unit up in a ponytail, so you know you don't see the back of the cap. So you just flip it over and put it on just how you did the first time, and I'm just measuring where the frontal begins and ends, if that makes sense. So I start by putting the needle inside of the track and pull it all the way through, and then I go into the material of the cap. So I'm trying my best not to get into the elastic, and if I do get into the elastic, it's at the very, very, very tip, like the bottom of the cap. So as you can see, now I'm going to start by laying down my tracks. And you could, how I'm showing you with my fingers, how you would stitch down your tracks. So thanks for watching, y'all, and make sure y'all look out for part 2. Later.
They wanna run down on me when they see me, them niggas is mad at me. So I walk around with it cause they plotting and I keep that bag on me. I was a clown to them hating niggas, yeah, they used to laugh at me. Nah, I gotta hold it down cause a nigga feel like he wanna come after me. Cause I got that bag on me. Yeah, I got that bag on me. I got that bag on me. Yeah, I keep that bag on me. They wanna run down on me when they see me, them niggas is mad at me. So I walk around with it cause they